Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you where to find this device's specifications. So to open up a list of specifications, open the Start menu, go to Settings, go to System section, and right here scroll down to About section, open it, and in this entire tab you'll find all the information you need to know about your PC, so the CPU, RAM, GPU and storage, and also the specifications that you can find right here. You can also check your Windows specifications below, and that's basically it. And if you want to monitor your device's specifications in real time, right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, select the Performance section, and right here you'll find each element of your hardware and check its name and its specifications in real time. So the CPU, the name, the graph of usage, and the specifications. And it works the same for each element. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.